Yeah, that part. Like I said, I'm gonna let my big bro do his shit. Host your shit. Finish hosting. I'm right here in the cut. I ain't bothering nobody, so don't bother me.
Oh, you better do that shit on Wednesday.
That's
all my that's all my narrative for you on
Wednesday show, nigga.
That's all my narrative
I'll
for
go up on you on
Wednesday.
Wednesday show.
You better go
you
up
don't
on
want me to
Wednesday.
go up on you on Wednesday show.
I do.
You don't.
I do.
Hey,
Not me.
Wait, Smacc, sit down, cuz.
Say that.
Smacc, sit down, cuz. Sit down.
Speak your mind
Sit
about
down.
Nah,
Y'all
you
stop
don't-
that
I'm gonna
shit,
tell you the
cuz.
narrative. Smacc was too loaded. TRell mad at you. That's what my DM gonna say. TRell was mad at you.
Why you listen to DM, Smacc? Sit down, cuz. Sit down, cuz.
Hey, I'm gonna leave it alone.
Sit down, cuz.
Hey,
Chill.
hey.
Come on, cuz. Sit down, cuz.
Hey, look,
Alright, bro.
hey, look how you look. You look stupid as a bitch.
Hey, guess what?
Oh my God. No.
That's your narrative.
No.
It's really back on me.
He's surfing.
No.
It's really
He's
back on
surfing.
me.
No.
Sit down, cuz.
No.
Hey,
Oh,
sit down.
my
Sit down. Nigga, sit down, cuz.
No.
He got you, though, cuz. He
I'm
got
glad he
it.
got me. That's why I'm gonna sit my
No.
bitch ass, peace panty ass down in the back and don't say nothing, nigga.
Come on, cuz.
Y'all got this. Y'all
We
got
gotta
this.
get into another topic. We gotta get into another topic.
I bet we do, bitch. I bet we do. Yeah, I bet we do, bitch.
Sit
Yeah, I
down,
bet.
cuz. Sit down, cuz.
I
Let's go,
I
let's
gotta
go.
read a very
Let's go, cuz.
important
Let's go.
super chat. Pretty as Lena619. She said 1999. She says, Smacc, we hear you, but you gotta let the ladies pop their shit. Love you, Heather Aquarius 10. Twin, y'all better read my super chat because I'm only going in for Heather and Miss Lady. Period. So they want to hear us talk. So
Thank you.
Can you be quiet for a little bit?
We can
Hush mode.
All right.
Hush
One more
mode.
topic.
Okay, what's another good topic for
I mean,
like
hey, Pun got
relationships?
all this shit before.
Yeah,
we get
Pun,
in.
you're great.
Uh,
And you should
For the
invite me
ladies.
and Ron onto ladies' night.
Oh,
so
let's
we-
do
For
it.
the
Yeah.
ladies.
Let's do it. Tuesday.
Yeah.
I know everybody
There we
over
go.
there don't
So you
fuck
can
with me
use
like
those.
that.
No, everybody
but
fuck
it's
with
cool.
you. Everybody fuck. Listen,
No,
don't let
it's
the
cool.
internet. Don't let the internet create a narrative that nobody fucks. Don't let them create the hate between the squads.
Yeah, 'cause they're-
Everybody fuck with everybody. Don't let the internet do that.
Okay.
We fuck with you. We want y'all to pull up. We love for everybody to pull up. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? Pull up Tuesdays if y'all available.
Okay.
That'd be dope. And I'll
No,
step out the room.
Heather
Let's talk
too.
that shit. Huh?
No, yeah, me.
Huh?
Heather and Ron.
That's what I
She just
said.
said Heather.
I'm talking to both of them.
I know the house
Ladies'
phone
night.
girlfriend don't like me. But
No,
that's
hell
cool.
no. Illa loves you.
Here go Heather.
Barbie said she's
Here
out
go
downtown.
Heather,
She loves y'all
sensitive.
too.
This one sensitive ass bitch.
Wait a
I
minute.
am.
No,
One
don't do
thing
that.
about-
Don't
Wait
do
a
that.
minute. Community is together.
The music together. Don't get it
Homies
twisted.
and
Ladies'
ladies.
night ain't.
And it's no fake love.
Ain't no
It's
fake
no fake
love.
This
love.
is a
real.
sensitive ass bitch.
Yes, I am.
Why
Very.
girls be like that? Girls be like that with each
No,
other, bro.
she is like that. She's just sensitive. She's sensitive about every fucking thing.
Nah,
I be like, Heather,
they fuck with you. They
stop
fuck with you.
crying.
TRell too. They
Shout out to
shot
Barbie,
alike.
shout out
It's
to
all
Illa.
good.
Heather,
Ladies'
how many
night.
fucking times
Yeah.
have I had to call her, text like, bitch,
She has.
what the fuck is you got? Like,
Hey,
she's
and,
like,
and when y'all come, it's gonna make the content even better. They got
Yeah.
a lot to talk about. It's gonna be dope.
we gonna get
We gonna
get
show that
dressed.
unity.
We're
You
doing
know what I
our
mean?
fashion.
No, what
thing.
Well,
happened-
the whole thing was
What
the
happened?
fit check, Ron.
Yeah,
We're-
what happened was they tried to divide us with that fit check shit. Now, girls is girls.
did
so
they do
y'all,
that?
No, because they like it came up on our show. They was trying to tell the girls to do fit check, which is what they do.
Right.
And the girls were like, we don't do that. That's their shit. And they was like, oh, they dissing her.
Oh, okay.
And I was like,
okay.
no, we just don't do that. That's their
Okay.
shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's what y'all do.
I
We
feel
do
like
what we do.
women, ladies should do fit checks though.
But
No,
everybody
no,
got their
but-
own narrative. Everybody do what they do,
But
and we do
Heather,
what we
but
do.
you know, in her defense, she didn't know who they were.
Yeah. No,
So
it's all
in
good.
Heather defense, she didn't know who they were. So when the question got asked, she was like, "Well, they must ain't got no fits."
Yeah,
So-
and I had just.
So when she threw that out, that I think that kind of hurt Illa's feelings because she fuck with Heather, but Heather. In her
Oh, but that was a
defense,
troll though. That was a
Yeah.
troll. When she came back with the hat and all that,
But
that was a troll.
even before that though, it was just like, damn, I ain't got no fits. But it was just like Heather didn't know who said it or who what. It could have been anybody random. She didn't know who said it.
Okay,
who
okay,
did
okay,
anything.
okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
It was like, damn, why Illa doing that?
No, but
she
Illa-
looked at the rebuttal, she was like, damn, why Illa
In
doing
our
that?
defense, Illa said, I'm going to play off of that. This is
Oh,
content.
okay,
We creating
yeah.
content. Illa said, I'm going to play off of that and wear something wild just to play off
And
of
then
that.
fuck with it.
You feel me? So
Yeah.
that's what that
So
was.
she dressed up like a clown.
Now,
Oh.
She dressed up and did
Bitch,
her
ain't
wild
nobody
shit.
got time for you to be sitting there, a nigga hugging you and all that. Nigga,
Bitch,
get
T-Rell,
your-
T-Rell.
nigga,
Y'all
nigga,
stop.
nigga,
Hey,
Oh,
nigga,
trap that up.
nigga,
Trap that up.
What's wrong with you, nigga? Get your
You
shit
get
together.
mad
Trap
because
that
it's
up.
like, no,
Trap
see,
no.
no, stop,
Hold
stop,
up,
stop,
hold up,
stop,
hold up.
Trap that up.
Not put it on camera. Not put it on camera.
Wait, he hugged
Cut the camera off. Cut the camera off.
I didn't do nothing.
Cut the shit off. Cut the shit off, Heather. Cut the shit off. Hold it. Block it. Block it, Heather. Block it. Block it. Block it, Heather. Block the camera, Heather. Block the camera.